Good day, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Redmi Watch 5 Active, and as we continue checking out the features of the Redmi Watch 5 Active, we are going to check the health monitoring function of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So on this video, we are going to test the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen, and we'll compare it with other wearables such as the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smartband 9. We tested these two wearables, and so far they do have a very good results for heart rate monitoring as well as the blood oxygen. So we'll try the heart rate of the Redmi Watch 5 Active as well as the blood oxygen monitoring, and let's see if the result is similar to this wearable. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below. And still, we ask you to support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring feature of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Before we check on the smartwatch here, let's go first with the Mi Fitness. Let's check if there are some options for the heart rate monitoring. Okay, let's go to the device section. We have fitness and health here, so let's tap on that. Okay, we have an option here for the blood oxygen, all day tracking, alert. Okay, we'll not set that one. We'll just leave it as it is. Heart rate. Okay, so we have an option here to set for continuous monitoring. So let's make it 10 minutes. High heart rate around 120. Low heart rate around 50 or 40, I guess. Okay, then go back. Sync. So we still have 58% battery life. Okay, I guess that's it. Here, let's check where's our heart rate. So we have it here. Let's see if the Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a real sensor. If we tap on this and will not wear it, let's see if it still can check our heart rate. Okay, tighten watch strap and try again. Then how about the blood oxygen? Okay, so I can detect whether you are wearing it or not. Okay, so let's wear the wearable, and we'll compare later on with the Galaxy Fit 3 and the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, as you can see here, we are now set. So let's check our heart rate. So measuring, keep still. So let's wait for it. Let's check. So we already have here the results. 74 beats per minute. 77, 80. It's now increasing. So let's relax. And it's now going back. 77, 79. Okay, let's adjust first the screen display here. Display, auto lock, 5 minutes. Okay, I guess that's it. But so far, as you can see, it works, and we do have a graph here. So we have 87, 89, 84, and it's now dropping. 68, 67, 68, 70, 73. Remember, we set it to continuous monitoring. Okay, so we do have here around 70 something to 80. Okay, let's have the Xiaomi Smartband 9 here. Let's have a simultaneous monitoring. we have the heart rate, and let's see. We do have here 84, 86. Let's relax a bit so you can check it. 84. Okay, again, let's adjust this one. Display settings. 5 minutes. Then okay, it's now checking. So 84. As you can see here, seems like the Redmi Watch 5 Redmi Watch 5 Active do have a very fast sensor when it comes to checking the heart rate. 77 and 82. Let's see if they will synchronize. 79, 80, 82. Okay, so they are not far from each other when it comes to the results. The Xiaomi Smartband 9 is a bit late when it comes to providing the result for our beats per minute. But so far, they almost have the same results here, as you can see. Okay, 83, 86. Let's see if the Xiaomi will drop also. 83, 82, as you can see here. Okay, they almost have the same results here. 82, 81, 73. And the Xiaomi Smartband 9 also dropped. Okay, so far seems like we almost have the same results here. The Xiaomi Smartband 9 do have a much lower checking. But so far the result is not that far. How about the Galaxy Fit 3? Let's see. Okay. Go back. We have here 87. Let's see if they will synchronize. 84 and 84, 83, 86. 86 here, 83. So the Galaxy Fit 3 also follows the data here for our Redmi Watch 5 Active. The result is also not that far. Okay. But as you can see here, for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, it is the heart rate monitoring is very fast when it comes to providing results every second. While for the Galaxy Fit 3, it provides it updates the results after a few seconds. $85, as you can see here. And the Galaxy Fit 3 also drops. Okay, so that's it for the heart rate monitoring of our Redmi Watch 5 Active. How about the blood oxygen monitoring? Let's check. Measuring. We'll have the results in just a few seconds. Let's measure also here on our Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay. Let's keep still. 98%. Measuring. So we do have a very good oxygen here. blood oxygen saturation on our body. And we have here 98% also, as you can see. Calibrating. The same results for our Redmi Watch 5 Active and a Xiaomi Smartband 9. Okay, so that's it for our review of the heart rate monitoring compared with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 and the Galaxy Fit 3. So far, the result is okay. Let's see here. We do have the heart rate. Later. Beats per minute. We also have here the blood oxygen. Okay, going back. Okay, let's just complete the info here so we can see the details. So we have the maximum of 84, minimum of 71, 80 beats per minute. Okay, so that's it for our review of the health monitoring function of our Redmi Watch 5 Active, particularly the heart rate and the blood oxygen monitoring. If you have any questions regarding the video demo, drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.